Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a super easy way to make your WordPress site look more professional by creating stylish, eye-catching text boxes. Whether you want to highlight important notes, tips, or announcements, this guide will make your content pop. Let's dive in. Log into WordPress. First, head over to wordpress.com and log in. If your account is linked with Google, you can speed things up by clicking Continue with Google. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard, which is where all the magic happens. Access the editor. From your dashboard, find the Edit Site button on the right panel and click it. If you manage multiple sites, make sure you select the one where you want to add your styled text box. This will open the visual editor where you can make changes directly to your pages. Add a text element. Next, click the Add button, usually at the top left. From the options, choose the text element. This will insert a blank text box onto your page. Now you can type in whatever content you want to highlight, maybe a tip, a note, or a call to action. Style your text box. Here's where you make it pop. On the right panel, you'll see styling options. You can change the text color, pick a color that makes your words stand out. Set a background color. Choose a complementary color for the box itself. Add a border. Borders add definition and make your box look polished and professional. Play around with these settings until your text box looks exactly how you want. Remember, contrast and readability are key. Save your work. Once you're happy with your styled text box, hit the Save button at the top. Preview your page to see how it looks live. You'll notice immediately how much more engaging your content appears with just a few simple styling tweaks. And that's it. Now you know how to create beautiful, styled text boxes in WordPress that draw attention and improve readability. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more WordPress tips, and comment below with what styling trick you're going to try first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.